Hi, I'm Stephen, the hospice nurse. You know how important IDG is in hospice, and I'm going to show you how to update IDG in Hospice Tools. In Hospice Tools EMR, the Discipline's Progress Note can be used to add their IDG update for a patient. In the EMR, click New Document, select your discipline, choose your discipline's progress note, and then click the Create eDoc button. Select IDG Narrative from the Purpose of Progress Note drop-down to change the narrative box to IDG Narrative. In the IDG Narrative text box, start by adding your discipline initials at the beginning of your narrative, and then write your IDG Narrative note. When finished, click the Sign and Submit button at the top. Select 360 in the toolbar and choose IDG Dashboard. Put in the last IDG date and the current IDG date. You can also filter IDG by case managers as well before clicking the blue search button. When the IDG agenda appears, one person within your office will manage the IDG documentation by clicking the Start New IDG Update button next to each patient on the IDG agenda sheet to trigger the IDG update form for each patient. The IDG update form will have certain fields auto-filled from previous entries with historical data in the I button next to every field. Click the I button next to the IDG narrative section, and the updates clinicians entered into their progress note will appear and can be pulled into the IDG update form by clicking the Add to Document button to have the IDG updates autofill into that box for the patient. The IDG narrative box is editable, and narratives can be edited or added during the meeting as well. After all the portions are filled out, click the blue Sign and Submit. If you are the one opening the IDG updates, after you click Sign and Submit, you will not need to sign off on the document again. After submitting, the IDG update form will automatically go to the dashboards of each interdisciplinary team member for their e-signatures. And that's the IDG update process for patients within Hospice Tools. Hospice Tools, how hospice happens.